To find archived messages on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, of course, we're going to go to the Google Messages app. And in here, if you accidentally archive a message, you have a couple of seconds to undo this action. So if you have still this undo option, which is very unlikely, but still, if that happens in the future, if you see the undo option, you can just easily use it in order to revert that and unarchive the message. But if you happened to archive the message and now it is gone, you don't have the option to undo this action, you can tap on your Google profile in the upper right corner. Then over here, we should be able to find the archived option, and over here we can find all chats that have been archived. So of course we can, let's say, press and hold our finger in order to select the chat that we want to unarchive, and then you can use this box with an arrow. Also, you can just tap on the chat itself or the conversation, tap on these these three dots actually in the upper right corner, and here we have the unarchive option as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.